It's August 13th, 2020. So maybe I got a call from a new customer. His AC shut down last night. Says nothing's running. Says it's humming out there, so it's a humdinger. So we're gonna go by there and see if we could see what's going on with it. He said he did some research and he thinks it's a capacitor, from what he said. So whatever, that's the case. I got some in the truck.
Street, then turn right.
You never know. Like I say, it's always a mystery. It's always a mystery. We'll try to get you some shots. That's my friend. You're my friend. You're my friend. Oh, I know. Yeah, you're my friend. You're daddy's friend. Yeah, you're my friend. You're my friend. You're my friend. You're my friend. I'm gonna go turn it on. It's a carrier. Coil don't look too bad. It's a capacitor. Not starting. It's definitely a capacitor. You know, try to start. So, story of my life-changing capacitors. We're in the jungle, baby. We're in the jungle, baby. It's a 45.5. We should have that in the truck. I got the disconnect pulled, so there should be no power to it. That should be what our problem is. Should be that capacitor's no good. She's no good, mama. No good. She's no good. See how she's puffy? She's a puffy one, Mr. Grinch. She's a puffy one, Mr. Grinch. This one's a little fatter, maybe. I don't know. Maybe. Alright, so the common is 2 yellows of the common. The brown is the fan, and the blue is the compressor. See, the compressor's got 3, fan has 1, and the common has 4. Alright, so the blue's the Herm, which has 3. It's not going to start because I got the disconnect pulled. Brown is the fan, which has 2. Common has 4 prongs. thing back together. While I'm here, I'm going to pull some of the leaves out of the bottom of this thing. It's full of leaves while I'm here. Not good. It's not good when it's raining out.